Reading 2. The City-States of Greece, starting on page 190. By 700 BC, Greek culture was shared across the peninsula. The small city-states shared a language and letters, chart below, but remained independent of each other. Each region usually had one city at its heart. The Greek word for this kind of city-state was polis. Most city-states had a similar town plan. They were built around an acropolis, a walled hill where people of the city could seek safety during an enemy attack. Farmers gathered at an open area near the acropolis to trade with each other and with local craftsworkers. This open area, called an agora, also served as a place for town meetings. Most Greek cities were also busy ports. Wine and olive oil were exported and grain and metals were imported. Trade created wealth and connected the cities of the Greek world. Developing governments. The leaders of each Greek city-state had to be citizens of their polis. A citizen is a person who has rights and responsibilities in his or her country or community. In ancient Greece, only men could be citizens, and not even all men were granted this right. Women were not allowed to be citizens. In fact, women had few rights at all. Slavery was common throughout ancient Greece, and slaves could not be citizens either. The kind of government varied from city to city. Some city-states had a single ruler. This type of government is called a monarchy. In other city-states, a small group of the richest and most powerful citizens controlled decision-making. This type of government is called an oligarchy.